important to the community because he works on projects that keep the barangay clean, green, and sustainable. Through his efforts in waste management and environmental programs, he helps our community a better and healthier place for everyone. This is the Barangay Hall of Santa Rosario, where Kagawad Gabriel Llanes and other barangay officials work. It is currently being renovated to improve its facilities and services. Barangay Kagawads are elected officials who work with the barangay captain to help manage the barangay. They help create local laws, organize programs, and make sure the community has basic services. The role includes making decisions about the barangay's budget and addressing issues like safety and cleanliness. They're important because there are many ways they improve the lives of the residents, such as organizing cleanup drives and supporting community projects. There are also times when they help resolve conflicts between people in the barangay. I admire Kagawad Llanes for his dedication to our barangay. His focus on cleanliness, waste management, and community well-being shows how much he cares. He works hard to improve our environment and always listens to the community's needs. Thank you to Kagawad Gabriel Llanes for making the Barangay Santa Rosario cleaner and greener. Your dedication for the community is truly appreciated. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. You're welcome.